He is an American lawyer, author, and politician, serving as the 56th Governor of New York since 2011. A member of Democratic Party, he was elected to the same position his father, Mario, held for 3 terms. His family. His former spouse, Kerry Kennedy. Kerry Kennedy is an American human rights activist and writer. He married to Kerry Kennedy from 1990 to 2005. His partner, Sandra Lee. Sandra Lee, known professionally as Sandra Lee, is an American television chef and author. His brother Chris. Chris is an American television journalist best known as the presenter of the Primetime, a weeknight news analysis show on CNN. He has 3 sisters. Sister named Margaret. Margaret is an American radiologist and author on health issues, especially those related to cancer prevention. Sister. His sister named Maria. Sister Maria, film producer. Sister Madeline. Sister Madeline, specializing in the matrimonial law, graduate of Albany Law School. His father named Mario. His father was an American lawyer and politician who served as the 52nd Governor of New York for 3 terms from 1983 to 1994. Mother named Matilda. His mother is an American advocate for women and children, former First Lady of the New York from 1983 to 1994. He has 3 daughters. Daughter named Michela Kennedy. His daughter. Daughter named Kara Kennedy. His daughter. Daughter Maria. He has an estimated net worth of $5 million. He was born in the borough of Queens in New York City. He was born on December 6, 1957. His parents were both of Italian descent. He has 4 siblings, including younger brother. His paternal grandparents were from the Nocera Inferior and the Tramonti in the Campania region of the southern Italy. Elder sister is noted radiologist. He graduated from the St. Gerard Magellas School in 1971 and the Archbishop Molly High School in 1975. He earned a Bachelor of Arts from the Fordham University in 1979 and the Juris Doctor from Albany Law School in 1982. During his father's successful 1982 campaign for governor, he served as a campaign manager. He married Carrie Kennedy, the seventh child of Robert F. Kennedy and Ethel Kennedy, on June 9, 1990. He began dating Food Network host Sandra Lee in 2005, and the couple moved into together in 2011. On July 4, 2015, he presented over the wedding ceremony of his longtime friend Billy Joel to his fourth wife, Alexis Roderick. He is a Roman Catholic. During the COVID-19 pandemic, he became known by his nickname of the Love Go after answering a question by his brother, CNN anchor Chris. He drives a 1968 Pontiac GTO with the New York license plate of number 1. His residence executive mansion. On August 10, 2021, he announced that he will resign as a governor of New York on August 24. Lieutenant Governor Kathy will serve out his term, becoming the first female governor of New York. President Bill Clinton appointed him the 11th U.S. Secretary of Housing and Urban Development in 1997.